Okay, so you've created then uploaded your TikTok video, but suddenly spotted a mistake. Whether they're big or small errors, if you're like me and a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to content, I'm sure the panic and anxiety are starting to hit. But let's take a breath and look towards our next steps. What can you do about it? Hello, fellow creators. I'm Kat, and today with Vidpros, we're going to take a look at how to edit TikTok videos after you've posted them. Here's the thing. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't let you edit videos once they're up. You'll have to take your video down, fix it up, and upload it again. But hey, it's not all bad news. You can still tweak elements like captions, mentions, hashtags, and thumbnails without starting from scratch. For any major changes though, you'll need to download your video, delete the original, edit, and then re-upload. If you're still feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. We'll walk you through the steps to make sure your TikTok video still looks perfect. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Save your video. First things first, guys. Save that video. Sometimes folks whip up a TikTok and hit upload without a second thought. TikTok usually saves your video to your phone, but it's not always a given. So before you hit delete, make sure you've got a copy saved. Head to your profile, click on Me, and pick the video you'd like to tweak. Then go to those 3 dots and choose Save Video. Now you've got a copy with all your cool filters, audio, and effects saved. No need to start from scratch. Step 2. Delete and edit your original video. It's time to clean up your profile. Delete the originally uploaded video so you don't end up with doubles. Trust me, your followers will thank you. Now, if you're a video editing whiz, go ahead and make all the necessary changes to your heart's content. But if not, no worries. You can always hire a professional to help you, like the editors over here at Vidpros. If your video just needs a quick fix, TikTok's editing tools have also got your back. Trim it, add captions and text, throw on some filters, and you're done. Once you're happy with the new version of your video, hit save. Step 3. Re-upload your video. Alright, now let's get your newly edited masterpiece out into the world. Hit next to upload your video. You can still edit the caption and hashtags if you want, or keep them as is if you're happy. Once everything looks good, hit post to share your work. Oh, and don't forget to give it a quick preview before you hit that upload button, just to make sure everything's looking tip-top. As you edit your TikTok content, here are a few things to keep in mind specifically for the platform. Just like YouTube, TikTok has its own community rules, so it should be part of your process to make sure your edited video adheres to these guidelines to avoid any copyright strikes or account limitations. A quick search online will bring you up to date on the latest features. Next, you have to remember TikTok is constantly evolving and updates happen frequently. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app to access all the editing tools and functionalities. Double check that your editing device like your phone or tablet meets TikTok's minimum requirements to ensure those fancy editing features work smoothly. Now, editing can be a time-consuming beast. If you'd rather focus on creating killer content while letting someone else handle the nitty-gritty of TikTok editing, and consider partnering with a service like ours. Here at Vidpros, we constantly keep our finger on the pulse of current trends and editing techniques, specifically for platforms like TikTok and YouTube. So schedule a call with us today and join us in crafting quality in every frame. Also, if you enjoyed this video and learned a little something from us, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.